Naghahanap ka ba ng house and lot na malapit sa Metro Manila at a very affordable price? Yung malapit sa workplace mo, may magandang ambience, very greenery, may sariwang hangin at very spacious? Or OFW ka ba or negosyanteng naghahanap ng secured and value for money investment dito sa Pilipinas?
Well, if your answer is yes, then good news dahil ang The Glens at Park Spring here in San Pedro, Laguna ang perfect para sa'yo.
Hi, my name is Eileen Perez.
And I'm Alec Lagar.
And we are your trusted real estate partners from Charm Realty at Philinvest Land Inc. And welcome to The Glens at Park Spring.
Alam mo ba na 3 to 5 minutes away lang ang The Glens from Villar City o tinaguri ang future BGC of the South? Strategically located din kasi ito near malls like supermarkets, schools, hospitals, at churches, kaya check na check sa needs ng family mo. Accessible din ito sa mga major roads like MCX, SLEX, Daang Hari at Daang Reyna. Kaya kung nag-work ka sa Manila, perfect na perfect ito sa'yo kasi easy travel ka na, hassle-free ka pa.
Dito sa The Glens, maraming options para sa family mo. We offer house and lot here na ready for you, like Mulavi Unit, Walnut Unit, and the Banyan Unit na may modern designs, preskong paligid, at very accessible. Mulavi Unit is a bungalow house, complete finished, consists of 2 bedroom, 1 toilet and bath with roof deck and carport. Walnut Unit is a bungalow house, complete finished, consists of 3 bedrooms, 1 toilet and bath with roof deck and carport. While Banyan Unit is a 2-story house, complete finished, consists of 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath with roof deck and carport.
At kung naghahanap ka naman ng lot only, we also offer from different sizes from 80 square meter to 199 square meters. At meron pa tayong available na corner lots at sunrise facing lots. You can also enjoy our complete amenities with swimming pool, basketball court, tennis court, playground, and 24/7 security. Kaya safe na safe ka pati na rin ang family mo. Kaya kung ikaw ay OFW or local employee o kaya naman business owner looking for a prime location with high potential return, then halika na. Message us now so we can guide you to your dream home here at The Glens at Park Spring. Book your tripping now!